never fails. Never fails.
Emotional damage.
Never fails. All I wanted was Panda Express. Alright, y'all. So he doesn't know how to cross the street.
The crosswalk. Go now, basically. I had to stand here for 15.
What the fuck? Oh shit. What do you? What do you? It feels good.
Let me see. Let me check it out.
Or like when you drunk and you lay on the bathroom floor. Especially like after you throw up.
Yes, that's when you laying down there because you can't.
You know what I realized, Money? I say motherfucker a lot.
Did you get it from me?
I don't know. Like I was watching my last YouTube video and I said motherfucker like 20 times.
What you like? This
This motherfucker, I've been dealing with this motherfucker. Me and my boy Jay, we finna go to a couple dealerships and see what's going on. Hey. Hey. Alright, we finna go to a couple dealerships and see what they got. I know 2 videos ago I told y'all I was gonna take y'all through the dealership and show y'all what they had, do a little walkthrough and stuff. So we gonna get to it now. We got, you just call me a fuck nigga? You a fuck nigga, hold on. Hey y'all, get on his ass in the comments.
My vlog with this motherfucker.
Team AP.
Slow ass motherfucker G.
Slow. Y'all see this Buick he got? Hey, that's how you know his car slow as fuck. He let me call this motherfucker a Buick. Alright, y'all. Hey, no, for real. That's why I'm thinking about trading this motherfucker in. So I ain't gonna trade the motherfucker in today. But I'm definitely looking for something else to trade in. I've been thinking about a Kia Stinger. I like them Stingers, I ain't gonna lie. Or Scat Pack. Now if I do Scat Pack, I am thinking about waiting later on to do it though. I ain't gonna do it no time soon. Y'all, I'm gonna open your eyes back up when we get to the first dealership. Hey y'all, why this dickhead blocking the bus? I know bus driver about mad as fuck. He just in the middle of the lane and shit. What the fuck is that? I don't know. So Malibu.
Malibu sounding like that?
I don't know.
Oh man, I just know this.
So they got a car.
Equinox on the inside.
They got a an Equinox on the showroom floor is crazy. What the fuck is that? Yeah, Johnny, I don't know about this one. They might not have none.
I just already see it. I see it already.
Oh, beep beep. You see that little blue one? Hey, this is what I'm gonna trade my Jeep in for. This little blue one right here. What y'all think? That's your car? That's somebody car? I'm finna steal it.
Mero. John, no, they ain't.
Mero. Yeah. Hey, y'all know this nigga got like 3 phones? Yeah, this nigga straight got 3 phones.
And I got a primary phone, I got 2 business phones, man.
2 business phones.
Well, this is recording phone.
Recording phone.
Main phone.
Main phone.
Other phone to the crib.
Drug phone.
Other phone,
Crazy. He's a scammer, y'all. Just in case y'all wondering, he's a scammer. He didn't want me to tell y'all, but I'm gonna tell y'all.
That's outrageous.
You know what I'm saying? It just keep it between us, though.
I see a Q50.
You see a Q50?
I see a Q50.
Hey, you know, that's what Jay want. He say Q.
Say they got your scat over there. They ain't got no
They got big body scat.
But they ain't no damn scat.
Big body scat. They got a wide booty. You want a V6.
Man, twin turbo V6.
No, really, they say V6 3.0.
This one.
Leader. The Q50.
It's 27.9.
27.9.
About 28.
It's for you. For you.
He thinking about getting it.
Oh, okay.
He been looking at them and stuff.
Okay.
So I've been looking at other cars and stuff too. I'm not really sure what I want to get into.
Okay.
Right now I got a Grand Cherokee, so I'm probably thinking about trading that in.
Okay.
So.
Is this your first car or?
It'll be, yeah.
It will be.
Uh,
Okay. I mean, you want to see it, the inside? stuff? Okay. I'll get the key for you.
How you feel? She trying to say. She think I'm your dad.
Man.
She think I'm your dad. She say she do it was your first car. She do it was your first car.
I mean, I just look young, bro. I just look young.
But it ain't your first car. You got a car.
Yeah, it'll be my first one, like
Dealership.
by myself.
Buying dealership type shit. Oh yeah, I ain't even show you how to drip. You know, Nike shirt. You know what I'm saying? We gonna go easy flex on jogging pants. Good material, good brand. Go tap in with the brand. He got that bullshit on.
Man,
Bullshit. Go tap in with the brand. Easy flex, comfortable. Then you know you got the cars Crocs. Can't tell me they ain't hard. All the problems. Who car had more problems and shit? Now he want the Jeep. He talking about my slow. Hey, he talking about my Jeep slow and shit, but now he want a Jeep.
I don't know.
Maybe a Jeep.
Maybe a Jeep.
Hey y'all, so y'all know.
SRT Jeep, not that bullshit Jeep.
Y'all know earlier he was talking about. That's how you tell. Niggas just be hating for no reason.
That's some bullshit.
That's some bullshit. What you think it is? What you think it is?
You got.
Oh.
I ain't gonna lie, this might be a
Nah, motherfucker. Oh shit.
Nah, this motherfucker got 3.6 V6.
Oh, never.
Hey, cause they fooled me off the hood.
Hey, nah, the hood. Hey, off just the hood, I thought.
Off the hood, I thought it was something crazy.
Hey, nah, you know what's crazy though? I've been thinking about making another YouTube page just for my car content. Hey, comment down below. Y'all think I should make another YouTube page just for my car content? Still post a little car content on this page, but on my second page, I'm gonna post just strictly car content. Yeah, he don't know how to park this Buick. It's like his third time trying to back in.
2,000 years later.
Park it! Yeah, he gonna say this Pacifica is the same speed as my Jeep, which is crazy. They got some stuff up here for sure. Definitely seen about 6-7 scat packs. This the one that I dropped my Jeep off so they could work on it though. They service team sucks. They had my Jeep for like 2 weeks and all they had to do was change the thermostat on, test drive it. It took them a week just to test drive my car. I don't really care for this dealership. They do got some nice cars. I don't care for their service team though. Ooh, is this a swinger edition?
But
This is a swinger edition?
I ain't gonna look.
Scat pack, scatty pack, snack pack.
This swinger edition.
It's a snack pack. Man, somebody been driving this motherfucker? Ooh, 50K.
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 65.
Oh.
That's base, boy. You know they had some market up.
Yeah. I forgot.
That swinger edition don't mean nothing.
It's a swinger edition.
That don't mean nothing,
Yeah. Look at this one. This got a wide body. I forgot. You like
no, I'm them crowd killer.
You like them HHRs and Cobalts and things of that sort. This you do. Damn, I got one long ass.
Leave these motherfuckers.
Who the fuck is that?
Motherfucking 2 man, 1 truck.
And what y'all think? Get an RT? Yeah, man. It look good.
But let's be honest.
Be honest.
Probably want another 40 for that.
Definitely probably want another.
This is
392 Durango.
This is
Let me scoot back for y'all so y'all can see the whole thing.
Look at that Q-Fit.
Where? Oh, that one. Motherfucker ain't doing shit.
Man, motherfucker, do your motherfucker. What the fuck you saying, nigga?
This motherfucker's sexy. We got the Charger, Super B edition. 63. Man, I don't really. I'll fuck with the wheel.
Guys gonna do nothing too. Except for the air.
Alright, y'all, so we got to the third dealership and they closed. But I do see a Kia Stinger. I really like the Kia Stinger, I ain't gonna lie. They got Brembos. What year is this? 21? I don't know. There's something about the Kia Stingers. They just look fat. What y'all think? Y'all like it? No? Yeah, no? Comment down below. You finna buy it?
Finna buy it, it's crazy.
Throw with it.
I fuck with you, motherfucker. I ain't gonna lie. Fuck with you, them big ass folks.
Hey man, chill out. Chill out. Look at the hood.
Man, look at the hood. Nah, the last hood got us.
Yeah, hey.
It look just like this big motherfucker. And goddamn, the motherfucking roll is fucked.
Where? Oh.
Oh, these bitches.
Yeah, no. I don't know, y'all. I don't think I can do another Jeep unless it's a Trackhawk. I can say that it do look good. I don't think I can do another Jeep unless it's a Trackhawk. That ain't coming no time soon. Alright, y'all. We at the final dealership. We was gonna go to another Clement one. But we seen this one. It's like, fuck it. Let's go to this one. They got some stuff here too, though. So.
Model S.
Model S. Open. Getty Pack. Nah, this one fire. I ain't gonna lie. I'm loving this green. Why he hating? Too wide body. Nah, let me move out the way.
Then you see this Daytona, they don't like Daytona. This Daytona on the back.
So this one, this Scat Pack ain't nice. You hater. Ooh, they talking about 68.
The fuck all looks like on the car, they can't take boots.
Nigga, what?
You ain't gonna put no boost in no car anyway. Shut up. You can't drive. Oh yeah, I ain't even tell y'all. When we was leaving the dealership, the last dealership, this thing almost ran into the back of a truck.
Bro, fuck off.
Yes.
Fuck off.
Yeah.
Now let's talk about
No,
the second time. I almost got into an accident today that wasn't my fault. He stumped on his brakes in front of me and turned on his blinker last minute.
Yeah, Johnny cannot drive.
You gotta stop it.
All right, so we got another Scat Pack. We got a black one, wide body.
Weak scatty
Man,
pack.
shut the fuck up.
Man, fuck that weak scatty pack. I'm mad as hell. I ain't seen no marrow.
Knick Knack, Patty Whack, Snack Pack.
And then we seen those SRTs on the inside of the showroom.
What?
That was it.
Yeah.
Ain't really been shit.
Ooh, it's a Scat Pack. It's a slim booty. It's a flatback.
Ain't nothing wrong with no flat back.
I'll still get one. I ain't gonna lie. Ain't the
I ain't
windows
just talking
tinted?
about cars though.
Huh?
I ain't just talking about cars though.
You like them all? You don't
Nah,
discriminate?
not all.
You don't
All
discriminate? I don't know. I ain't gonna lie. I can't agree with that. Oh, this is so cringy. I don't like that. The 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh yeah, y'all. So my camera died once again. I can never keep it charged. Huh?
L recorder.
Man, they L recorder.
Got nothing else with this.
They ain't, yeah, they ain't really got too much.
That's because they ain't got the showroom open. We can't just close. Once again, you know, they only open up the dealership to you know, that's outrageous. I need to get my car tinted, man.
You need to give your car up. That's what you need to do. Slow ass Buick.
Man, my Acura gone always, forever.
That's not a Buick. Ugly.
Leaving that boat.
Nah.
That day-to-day drive.
What that
That's
mean?
not even daily. That's a
Day to day. Hey. Hey.
That's day-to-day. That ain't even.
Hey, didn't your brake caliper lock up on you?
See, no, Chan, stop it. What happened was, got back from bowling with this nigga.
He was
On
trying
the way
to.
to the
He was
crib.
trying. No, he was trying to race me, and
No,
then mother
that's
said,
not
"Whoa,
even
we
what
can't
it
go
is.
that fast."
I was in the corner and turn on my street. I hit the turn. My car slid a bit because it was raining hell on. When we pulled out of St. Charles Lanes that night, it was raining hell on. Damn. Shit, all I heard was scraping. I'm like, damn.
You know what that's called? Withdrawals.
Motherfucking brake. Whole time. The last time motherfucker put brake
What
on
y'all
my car,
think?
he ain't even put no brake pad on that motherfucker.
Yeah, whoever
I
you.
took this motherfucker to the shop, they said there wasn't even no brake pad there.
Yeah.
So,
See,
hey,
he ain't no mechanic.
I'm not. But I can do a lot.
You do a lot. You do a lot. I do everything. That's why I'm AP
You
Rob.
don't.
I do.
Nah,
I do.
can't.
Do.
Hey.
Especially like whoop your ass in bowling. Hey, yeah, that's gonna be in my next vlog, huh?
We going tomorrow or Thursday?
We go tomorrow,
All right, we
but that ain't gonna be in this vlog, y'all. That's
Yeah,
gonna
not
be
at
in
all.
that's gonna
Next
be
week.
in my next vlog.
Unless I drop this Monday, then it's gonna drop either later that week or the week after.
Yeah, so I still gotta figure out how I wanna drop these. I know I just dropped a video yesterday, so we gonna figure it out. But y'all are here to witness me whoop his ass so he can finally be quiet. That's all for today, y'all.